In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to turn off mouse acceleration in Valorant. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about mouse acceleration and how to turn this off for Valorant or any other game. So as you might be aware, mouse acceleration can mess with your ability to aim because it is going to make your pointer precision less accurate. So you can either overshoot or undershoot depending on the speed in which you move your cursor. So in order to disable this, you must do it within Windows. So you don't have to do it inside of Valorant. What you have to do is go over to the control panel, choose mouse. If you don't see mouse, switch from category to large icons. So go to mouse, you will open this window, go to pointer options, and you will find it here. So they call it pointer precision enhancement. So if this option is ticked, then mouse acceleration will be enabled. So all that you have to do is disable this. Once this is disabled, you don't even have to mess with this slider, just apply the changes and you are good to go. As weird as this is, you don't have to do anything inside of the game. Disabling it in Windows will be enough. Now, most people have said that this does not matter. Valorant uses raw input, and in very broad, simple terms, this means that this option has no impact when you play Valorant. However, if you want to be safe and make sure that mouse acceleration is absolutely off, then just disable this, apply, and you are good to go. You don't have to worry anymore. A lot of people have tested this option on and off and have determined that this has no impact, but once again, just disable this. This way you know for sure that mouse acceleration will not be enabled, so all of your inputs will be properly tuned. Keep in mind that for other games, such as CS2, you actually have to disable that inside of the game, but for Valorant specifically, doing it in Windows is good enough. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn off mouse acceleration Valorant. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.